always a pleasure to come to the conference when it's possible, because it's a place where you find a lot of know-how, a lot of knowledge. It's not common to hear somebody who talks about quantum computing and really understands what is behind it, as I heard this morning in the excellent keynote. It's also very important the high quality of the workshops, where you have really the possibility to interact with people which is on the field, which is working in the real world.
Valencia is a wonderful city. I think it's a good place to host HiPEAC, because in winter everybody's looking for sun, and here we always have sun. And also it's a good place for networking. I think the city offers a lot of opportunities for that.
Hospitality.
Imagination.
Performance.
Efficiency.
Architecture.
Computing.